Hey, it's Timan here. Hope you all doing well. Today we are going to take a look at an exciting gadget that promises incredible sound without breaking the bank. The Oppo Enco Buds 2. I got this bad boy for just rupees 1312 rupees on Flipkart, and I can't wait to share my experience with you. Are these bad boys the best budget earbuds out there? Stick around to find out. Alright, let's get right into the unboxing. Here's the sleek packaging, it's simple but stylish, typical of Oppo. Let's see what we have inside. First up, we have the user manual and some extra ear tips for the customized fit. Now let's pull out the earbuds themselves. They are snugly fitted in their case, looking pretty compact and lightweight. Now let's take a closer look at the earbuds. They have got a matte finish which feels premium and the design is really ergonomic. I can already tell these will be comfortable to wear for long periods. I have been using them for a few days now and honestly they have impressed me. The sound quality is surprisingly good for the price. The bass is punchy without overwhelming the mids and highs. Whether I am listening to music, podcasts or watching videos, everything sounds clear and immersive. They come with touch controls which are super responsive. I can easily pause, skip tracks and answer the calls all with a simple tap. Plus the battery life is solid. I have been getting around 5 hours on a single charge and the case gives me an additional 20 hours. They comes with the USB-C port. Oppo claims that 10 minutes of charging provides an impressive hour of music playback. And here's the kicker. They are lightweight. I can wear them for hours without any discomfort, which is a huge plus point for anyone who's always on the go. So to wrap it up, the Oppo Enco Buds 2 have truly exceeded my expectations. For just rupees 1300 you are getting the fantastic sound quality, great battery life and a comfortable fit. If you are in market for a budget earbuds, I highly recommend checking these out. Thanks for joining me on this unboxing and review. If you have enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more tech reviews and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear your experiences. So that's it for this video and I will see you in the next one.